Hello, this is going to be a quick video on how to extend your disk drive space in case you run out of space on one partition. So, you want to go to Partition Manager, right there, and find one that has plenty of free space available. So the one that I want to give space to is this one because I don't have a lot of free space left on that. And it looks like this one has 13.53 gigabytes of free space, so we're going to use that. Volume A. Right click, shrink volume, and click on shrink. You can adjust this if you want. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Okay, and now you have 8.68 gigabytes of unallocated free space that you can assign to this side. So what you want to do is, here, let's go to right click here. Actually, let's go to right click here, new simple volume, next, next. Okay, finish. And now I want to absorb this space to use on this side here. Normally it would be extend volume, but it's grayed out, so let me see what the deal is here. Let's delete this volume that we created. And it's still not showing up. I think it might be default like 10 gigabytes. So let's get more unallocated space here. We have 4.99 gigabytes unallocated here. Actually, no, free space 4.85 gigabytes. This one has 5.95. Okay, so let's go back to this one that has 4.85 gigabytes. And let's shrink volume. Okay, can't shrink that one. What about this one? There we go. Shrink that. Now there's plenty of unallocated space here. Okay, new simple volume. Next, next. Don't assign a drive letter or drive path. Next. Do not format this volume. Next. That turned it into raw storage. But it's still not giving me the option to extend this one using that raw storage. Let me see what the deal is, and I'll be right back. Okay, so coming back, I freed up a little bit of space on this one. So let me try shrinking this one as well. To get more unallocated free space here. Okay, and for some reason this one doesn't let me extend it, where all the other ones give me the option to extend it. So that's interesting. So what we're gonna do, instead of using this one, we're gonna use one of our other volumes here for storage for whatever we're doing. So we're gonna extend this one. Okay, so now I have 13.67 gigabytes on that. And about 13.53 free space available. And now it won't let me extend it with this one. Let me see if it will change its mind if I format it. Oh. Okay, so that's interesting, kind of weird though. But we're gonna extend this one since it's allowing us to do so on this side with this space. There you go. So at least we got this one extended to 13.6 gigabytes. I think it might be, I don't know if it's like a something that needs to be patched in the system for the main disk drive. If there's like a workaround for that out there, maybe it's a known issue. But at least we have this space available for whatever projects we're going to be working on. Okay, catch you later.